In this episode, Project Golf R gets a whole new look. The race-style livery is designed and applied by Autoartisan Group.
Hi guys, it's Michael Palladino, founder of Autoartisan Group. There's nothing that we really can't do. We have a wealth of experience, so whether it's going to be a complete creative custom wrap, a colour change, or even some decals, we've got you covered. Here we have the Euro Mechanica Project Golf R, and today we're going to be working on a wrap. It's a street track car, so basically what we're doing is creating a livery together with sponsors to be able to promote themselves on the vehicle. Where we excel at Autoartisan Group is in the concept and the creative behind the design. So basically what we're doing is we're going to incorporate a whole lot of sponsors, decals, logos into the design base to come up with this crazy out there design. In the wrap space we have a few different materials that we work with. We have our digital film where we print on our printers, and we also have our coloured media as well as protection films. So basically the digital films allow us to be free in our design choices, whereas the coloured films are a good accent and combination, even if you're choosing to do a complete colour change wrap on your vehicle. Rather than using multiple layers, we just choose to do it in one seamless layer. That way we don't have any edges, lifting, and we have freedom to be able to create whatever we want. Our goal here at Autoartisan is really to make the wrap look like paint. Really important that we make sure that we have the alignment in certain areas, so we try not to carry too much artwork from the side over to the rear bar because they are all printed in separate sections. Being involved with the Euro Mechanica Project Golf R, it's a great opportunity for us to get involved being a European vehicle. Being European, they can be quite challenging. We do have the skilled staff here on hand to be able to remove bits and pieces of the vehicle. As you can see, we've got door cards removed of this particular vehicle. We have a great knowledge around European vehicles in general. What we're using here is a 3M 1080 series carbon fibre black. We're using it for the accents on the vehicle, so the door handles, the mirrors, the spoiler, even the luggage compartment. So it's just a great accent film. There are a few variations of 3M knifeless tape. So that just helps us cut the vinyl without scratching or putting a blade to the vehicle's paint. Just here. Just peel the backing paper off and place it in position. I'll start from the center, work my way out one side. Just really important that we make sure we're covering the knifeless. The carbon fibre also carries a air release function, so I'll just push those down with my finger. And here we go, we just hold our finger over the top, pull the filament out, get to the edge of the film, hold again, and pull in a nice smooth motion, and that's cutting the film for me. That's taking care of our bottom piece. Hold your finger over the top again, and pull nice and smooth. And there we have it, guys. A piece as if it was cut on the computer, all done by hand. A lot of our customers like to come to us and use us for our creative experience. Whether it's going to be personal accents on your vehicle, stripes, or even just something completely custom. We have a full in-house designer. She's here full time and able to work with you to come up with something completely different. We have Ed behind me here just installing these decals, these sponsored decals. We've printed these after the livery just so we have freedom of placement for these logos. We want to make sure that they get the right exposure. Here I have a Meguiar's Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax. It's a pH balanced cleaner, so it's vinyl friendly. What I'll be doing is just spot cleaning the vehicle, getting rid of all the fingerprints that we've left behind with our application. Thanks for joining us, watching the video on how we go about wrapping the Euro Mechanica Project Golf R. Look, if you need any further information, please follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Also visit our website at www.autoartisan.com.au. We're going to be launching our Auto Artisan Academy program, full of courses that you can choose to sit, whether it be in vehicle wrapping, paint protection, film, and a few other disciplines. So please subscribe to our page at autoartisanacademy.com.au. Thanks for watching. And that's a wrap. Thank you.
Be sure to check out our other videos on the Euromechanica Project Golf R.